Hey guys, how you doing today? Hopefully you're all keeping well. I'm just popping on here with a quick image that I'm in the middle of editing. I've only been editing it about 5-10 minutes, nothing too much, but I've been using the new generative fill, playing around with the new addition in Photoshop. This image, it it was an image taken at a car show. Now, if anyone's ever been to a car show, you will know there's people walking in front of you. Every time you go to take a picture, there's another one standing there admiring the car. It's what car shows are about. But this car had a car in the background, a person walking in from the left-hand side, and it was really detracting from what the image should be. And I thought it really deserved a little bit more editing with the car removed from the background and the person removed from the left-hand side. So I'm going to pop both versions in the video. Let me know what you think. Do you think it looks better the way it is? Or should I have just carried on editing it with the people in the shot? Let me know in the comments below. It'd be great to hear from you all. And until next time, I'll catch you soon.